As you can see, we have created our business, and this is the dashboard. You can see my name, Emmanuel Ikechukwu. You can see new business. You can see my businesses, which is one. My account status is a new one. So you can also see my profile. You can see manage wallet and all that. So now we will be creating our staff dashboard. We'll be creating our staff dashboard. So we'll come to business. So you see, this is our business. So for creating our staff, you can see I tapped on my business and it brought up my dashboard, and you can see manage, you can see upgrade, you can see open. So tap on manage. We're going to tap on manage to create the structure of our organization. That's what we're going to be doing from the manage, which of course is the dashboard showcasing on our business. So here we have departmental name, we have position, we have roles. So you can see, to learn more, you can tap so that you gain idea on what each of these buttons are trying to say. So a department represents a specific area of organization like marketing, finance, and all that. Position refers to specific job roles within a department, let's say account officer or sales manager, and roles, specific task. You understand? So while a HRO manager focuses on recruitment and employee relations, so let's create this. So we create a department name. We can say design. You can also add more. If you have more than one department, you can also, you can see, if you want to add more than one department, this is HR and all that. You can also take it out if you wish to. We'll go back to position. So under design, what position do we have? Design. Do we have a design manager? You can see you can add more positions. You can still take it out. So we'll go to the next, our roles. So under roles, do we have a graphic designer or a UI designer? So that's a role within that department. So let's go graphics designer. We can add more. We can also take it out. So let's maintain one for now. So let's finish. So we're finishing. So you see successful, data saved successfully. I will tap on done, and we are done with that. Now we have our structure. We have 0 staff. We have activity monitor 0. And by default, we have the standard plan. So when we choose to upgrade, we can go for premium or enterprise as the case may be.